Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice evening. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, not offering any type of trading advice here today, just showcasing our automated bots here just for demonstration purposes. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 18th. If you're joining us today, hallelujah, that's the good news. Any day above ground is a blessed day, a good day, a lovely day. I see the Forex Factory. For some reason on my computer, the Forex Factory is down. Normally we start off looking at the economic news reports. If there's any red folder reports and somebody knows about them, please share it with our community. I'm unable to show the Forex Factory calendar. It's always a good practice to look at the economic news reports that are coming out during the session. We don't want to be in a live trade when those reports are released, especially those high impact reports. Prior to us opening the live stream, you could see what the market has done. At midnight, after taking a big leg down yesterday. Oh, it just came up. Nice. Oh no, I lost it again. Yeah. Something to do with Cloudflare. All right, so it looks like in the Asian session it took another dip down, and now it is sideways. Ever since the London Open and coming into our pre-market session here in the U.S., the ES is flat. The ES is flat. The last week and a half at the Open, we've been getting big moves down to the downside. Yesterday we had a little pop up, but then it continued down. So it's anybody's guess what happens today. I do have the Forex Factory up. It says Cloudflare outage disrupts a lot of internet services. And when I go to the calendar, here we go. Amen. Hallelujah. I don't see any orange or red reports for this session, so nothing to be overly concerned about. Our leaderboard, we let the bots run through the entire session. It's always a red flag when there's very few profitable bots or drones. And I think that that's a testament to that flat market we saw, that we see on the E-mini. Just a sideways, miserable, ranging market that we have to be very cautious of. So our leaderboard is telling us something. It's telling us not many bots are profitable during this session. To be cautious. We don't necessarily have to trade every day. When we take a trade, we want to have a good opportunity for success, for making a profitable trade. Nobody wants to pull in any losers. So we're going to be cautious and see what happens at the opening bell. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. Thank you for joining us. We're going to be showcasing our automated bots here at Right Line Trading. These are fully automated strategies, and once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades for us. And we've got some really unique ways that they manage the positions. Some AI integrations that allow the system to dynamically change their own inputs throughout the trading session. So good luck, everybody. We're 1 minute away. Hey, Tom, Ray. Thanks for joining us. Good morning. I've got on my copier the favorite bots that I like. The Moneymaker drone is up 668. I think I'm going to go ahead and enable that one. Well, let's let the market settle down before we enable anything. Hey, Anyeka. We've got our lagometer on the workspace that's telling us what kind of lag we're getting, which is very important. The chart is a visual representation of time and price. And if you're not looking at something that's accurate, you're in big trouble. We're in big trouble if that's the case. So we only want to take trades when our lag is under control. It's under 0.5 of a second. The system has a safety feature built into it where it will not allow the bots to execute a trade when there's excessive lag. It's not uncommon. Good morning, the Black Deer. Thank you for joining us. Good morning. Getting another move down here at the open. Here we go on the NASDAQ. The power play got rocked early. Our 20U Mack truck let's look at our 20U. Our 20U Norenko is really our higher time frame. When we trade the NASDAQ, we like to have a multi-time frame alignment. In order for our 30 range to go short, we want our 20U Norenko to be below the 50, and vice versa for a long trade. So we look for a multi-time frame alignment of trend. The higher time frame that we use when entering a trade on our 30 range is the 20U Norenko. That's one of the conditions. Got a tremendous amount of volume here at the open. I'm just waiting for things to settle down. These micros, look at the volume. 13,000 contracts a minute. Unbelievable. You look at the daily volume of the micro NASDAQ compared to just the regular NASDAQ, and there's a huge difference. Almost a 5 to 1, between 4 to 5 to 1. Wow, look at that pop up. Good morning, Gerald. Yeah, we're getting it too. When there's 13, 14,000 contracts a minute. Tremendous amount of volatility. The system loves this condition. I'm very anxious for the lag to subside. In fact, let's do this. Let's just disconnect for a second. I know Cloudflare's been acting up this morning. I'm wondering if that has anything to do with any of this. We're loading just 500 bars on these charts. We're trying to go with a light workspace. Having a data issue. I'm loading 500 bars on my charts. If I go to my data series and I changed load data based on, I don't load days, I load bars, and just 500. So what will happen is initially it will load 500 bars, but as the session progresses, if your slide back bar will start adding to that 500. It doesn't mean that after 500 they stop, they disappear. As long as you have your data connected and the system continues to run, Sergio kind of taught us that this morning. If you leave your computer on for a day or 2 days in a row, that 500 bars will turn into 5,000 bars very quickly. Getting a data problem here. Anybody else having issues with their data? Ah, there we go. Some movement. Okay, let's try to get these enabled. Gotcha, Gerald. I think mine is just starting to come back to life now. Okay, great. Okay, there we go. Let's try to get a power play entry here. Still got about 3 seconds of lag. Another big sell-off here at the open. Let's see if we get a break of support. The software does a really nice job of defining risk. You can see these blue lines are areas of support that the system will not trade into. It'll wait for a break. Here comes the break. I'm going to back off of these MES bots. See if I can get a couple of trades in. 13,000 contracts a minute. Tremendous volume. The E-mini is really the bot that I want to get into on this. So I'm using the 20U sniper. If we are getting big moves through the 50, up and down through the 50, the Mack truck is a better bot to go with. On a one-way trend, that sniper is the way to go on the 20U. Let's see. Let's try to get another break of this area of support. It didn't really get through there. Here we go. Our lag is under control. Let's try to get a power play short through support. Let's see if it breaks it. The Mack truck just went. Let's see if we can. Oh, we're in. See if we get a move down. Reversed right when we got in. Ouch. Boy, that was quick. Let's try one more entry on the Mack truck. Oh. I need to wait until my lag comes under control. Here's a break of support too. Okay, it appears that it's coming down now. Let's hope this is the end of the lag. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to close mine too, Gerald. Yep. Let me get my Ninja launched again. Hey, good morning, Mark. That's what I'm thinking too, Robert. I was thinking the exact same thing as you. I noticed on the Forex Factory, they had an announcement regarding Cloudflare. The Cloudflare outage is affecting a lot of internet services. I'm not sure if this is related to that. Okay, we're back connected. Our lag appears to be okay. Let's give it a shot. Make sure these are off, which they are. Okay. Let's see if we can get a move to the downside here on the power play. Let's put it on the MNQ. All right, let's try to get one more entry. Wow, look at that RSI line. Do you see that? The RSI line in my Laguerre oscillator. I didn't copy this trade. I'm a little nervous on the 30 range because there's a lot of whipsaw. A lot of whipsaw. I'm going to wait for it. I do have the 20 Unarenko enabled, and I have on my MES, I have the 30 range enabled. Until we break support, I'm not looking to get into that 30 range. It's getting beat up pretty good. But let's see if it breaks through. Nope, maybe. Okay, there it goes. Broke right through, didn't it? Let's see if we can catch the next entry. Hold on. Okay. This is the Steven. Oh, we just got in to the power play. And we want to see it come in our profit window. There we go. Now let's see if we can get a leapfrog here. Push down. Come on down. Leapfrog didn't kick in. Okay, all the risk is off. Push down. Push down. All right, let's stop this for just a second. Oh, we're in on the ES30 star. Let's take a look at the ES trade. MES Moneymaker. No, we're not in the MES moneymaker. The MNQ Steven is up 276. Steven gives it a little more room. I wanted to check my leapfrog because I noticed it wasn't working. So let me disable for a moment and go to my strategies. Just check my power play. We have a really great trade management feature called the leapfrog. And I just want to make sure that that's engaged. It is. Okay, great. Hey, good morning, Rao. Good to see you, my friend. You think Cloudflare is affecting it? My lag seems to be back to normal now. Let's see if we get a break of support here. My price action, you could see, is really choppy. A lot of whipsaw on the NASDAQ. The 30 range is treacherous. Let's try to get one more short on this break of the pivot. Let's get the Mac truck in on the 20U. Let's give it one more run. Here we go. Come on. Let's go to the short. Let's go to the downside. Some follow through. Come on, push down. Give it a little room. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. I'm looking for it to take the risk off the trade. If it comes a little closer to my profit target, it'll take all the risk off. There it goes. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Wow. There's something must have come out at 10 o'clock. Factory orders, housing markets index, a couple of yellow folder reports came out at 10, but that was one heck of a burst of volatility. Man, that whipsaw was something, wasn't it? I got a winning trade and then it instantly popped me in. And I took a loser. notice my leapfrog is not functioning properly. Oh, I got into that one. Try to give it some room. Push down. Push down. Come on. Come on down. Yeah, I got to figure out why my leapfrog isn't working. Let's go back. Let's pivot to Steven. Steven is on my leaderboard. Steven might be our avenue here. It's 10:05. We got a tremendous amount of volume and volatility. A lot of whipsaw on the NASDAQ. Oh, man. This thing is stuck. My copier. My copier is not scrolling. Okay. Here's my copier. What I did was I put on the Steven because Steven's up 540. Steven happens to be the bot doing the best in this current environment. So we're going to watch it take a trade or two. The 30 range with this whipsaw in this first hour of the market open is a little too intense. There goes Steven. Right back in long. This is the #1 bot on my leaderboard on the MNQ. Then I have the MES Moneymaker. I also have that one enabled on my copier. Now we're working on an update that will automatically put your leading bot. It's going to have a separate bot that will mimic the trades of the top performing bot. This way you could put the best NQ bot as your leader account in your trade copier, and whatever's at the absolute best at your leaderboard. Look at this, Steven caught a leapfrog now. Now the leapfrog is working perfectly. There goes Steven. So let's rename this tab so we know what it is. This is the MNQ 8U Steven. So with this new update, if it sees the MNQ Steven thriving in this trading environment, there'll be a separate bot called the best NQ bot, and it will automatically take the same trades as your best NQ bot. So there's no more guesswork, no more wondering which one you should trade. It'll automatically go to your best bot. And the name of the bot is going to be called My Best Bot. Makes sense, right? Wow, look at this, Steven. I always say, hey, the one that finds the ebb and flow. This one appears to have found the ebb and flow. Oh, look at this. I think I finally got in. I did. I'm in the ES, the MES. Where is it? MES. Was it the Star Drone? Yeah. Jumped in long. No, it's not the Star Drone. It's the Moneymaker. It's also in long. Come on, keep bouncing up. There you go. Go ahead. Breakthrough resistance. Oh no. Come on, bounce. Oh, going long in this market is crazy. I'm not crazy about this entry, I got to tell you. I really don't like counter trend trades. Come on, pop to the upside. Go ahead, fly. Breakthrough resistance. Let's go. Breakthrough resistance. Let's go. To the upside. I know, Jeff. My goodness. You know, it all started, if you remember, a week and a half ago, those big shots at Goldman Sachs. They said, oh, we're looking for a market, we're anticipating a market correction of, 10 or 20%. And ever since they came out and said that, the market's been selling off. And I'm not sure why they have to mention that. I knew not to get into this short trade. Shoot. I'm going to close this position. I don't want it. Let's try to take a Steven. Going long in this market is not the wisest thing to do. All right, last entry, last trade I'll take. Right about my loss limit for the day. Unbelievable. I waited so long to get into that ES30 and it went long. Unbelievable. Ray. Thank you, Ray. Okay, let's see if we can get one. Let's see if we can get one short. I need all the risk off. If the trade matures to the downside, first my stop will move down like it just did and take all the risk off. Now I got a clear, now I have a run at it for free. I got a free run at it. Unfortunately, it came back and wicked me out. But we're going to let Steven take a trade or two. It likes this pull back and go. Turn everything else off. Well, after a great day yesterday, we gave it back today, so tomorrow we'll be starting fresh, almost a break even. Let's see if we can get one more winning trade. The ES just went long again. All right. Congratulations, Judy. Congratulations on the moneymaker. Steven's in long. Aye. Another long trade. Come on, give me some wiggle room. All right, I got to stop there. Hit my loss limit of 500. So I'm on the sidelines now. We do get losing days. But we're going to cut our losses right there. This looks like a day that you would want to take shorts only so far. Shorts only. All right. Good job, Gerald. Great job. You got your PA accounts in the green. Here, now this entry looks a lot better on the Steven. This short entry looks juicy. Just leapfrogged. Got wicked out. Bounced off support. Great job, Mike. All right. We're going to do a training session tomorrow. We're going to do a live training. I'll put the link in Discord. If you're not a member of our Discord and you'd like to join our live training, we're going to do a workshop. Send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Support@rightlinetrading.com. Yeah, I'd like the Mack truck. I like those 20U strategies. Anybody that's not in our Discord community that wants to attend tomorrow's workshop is more than welcome. Just send us a request to support@rightlinetrading.com. We're also giving away free lagometers. If you want a free lagometer, send us a request to support@rightlinetrading.com. This tool is invaluable, priceless. We're giving it away for free. You got to have it if you're a trader. If you don't know that your chart is lagging price, you're in big trouble. Jeffrey, hopefully it is oversold, and maybe it'll double bottom right here and retrace back all the way up and back up. Every time that I see a long entry, I get nervous for it because this market just keeps getting lower and lower. Hey, Mark. Ah, oh, for MNQ. Gotcha. You had the NQ. If you need any help, let us know. With that new update I mentioned, we're testing it now. Yesterday, if I bring over the Discord, these are the daily results from yesterday. If you look at number one, it was called the best NQ drone. That's the actual strategy that will copy the trades of your top bot automatically. So it takes away all the guessing games. It's just going to trade your most profitable bot and take the same exact trades. And it's going to do it automatically. Wow, here we go. Maybe we get a big move up here, Ray. Hopefully. It's a version of the Bionic, yeah. A little different though. Wow. Stock market's down again. We need a rally. Come on, breakthrough resistance. Let's go. Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise. He's going to be on this YouTube live stream coming up at 11:30. We've got two really nice revenue streams here at Right Line Trading. One is futures, the second being options, stocks and options. If you would, please like my video on your way out. We're going to stay live until about 10:30. About 6 more minutes. But on your way out the door, if you would, please like our video here on YouTube. I like to refer to it as my job security. I know the trading was lousy on my half today. But I'll be back tomorrow, God willing, and we'll give it another shot. We can't win every day, unfortunately. It wouldn't be called trading, it'd be called winning. Right? It's like when you go fishing and you get up early at the crack of dawn, you buy all the bait and gas, and you get all the way, you go 10 miles offshore and you catch nothing. But that's what makes winning that much more sweeter. Or when you catch a lot of fish, it makes it that much more rewarding. So to pull in a losing day is just part of the game. Nice, Gerald. Stop right there, sir. Holy moly, a 40-point target. Nice one. 160 tick trade. Boy, this market is tough, ain't it? It is tough, tough, tough. That's why respecting our loss limit is very important. Once you reach your loss limit, everybody's risk tolerance is different. Mine's about 500. If I get there, I'm done. Oh, 40 ticks. Got it. Nice, Jeff. Great job. Yeah, the 50-day moving average is this on my MES chart. It's this red line in my crosshairs. That's the 50 EMA. On my MNQ chart, it's the solid line. That's the 50. The dot line, the dotted line is my 15. Well, Steven was the bot to trade. If we had to pick one, hindsight's always 2020. But you know what? It was at the top of my leaderboard all morning. And I made my move a little too late. It is fun when you win. It is fun. There's no doubt. You feel great. The moneymaker bot is in this long move. Two more minutes. Let's see if we can watch one last trade. Here's the Mack truck. Let me see if that Mack truck is still in. Nope. The sniper. Let's take a look at this 20U sniper. All my iBots went short. When you see the iBots all go short, what that's picking up is a disparity between uptick and downtick, buyers and sellers on the stock market. That's the trigger on the iBot. The Mack truck is in. Here's the Mack truck on the 20U. Great strategy. There it goes. It's leapfrogging. Got wicked out. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Please, on your way out the door, if you would, like my video here on YouTube. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow, same time, 9:15. We meet here Monday through Friday at 9:15. You're always welcome. Have a blessed day, everybody. So long. Last trade is 20U. It just kissed my stop. Got us. All right, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.